Hello, welcome to the SL Mind Channel email program. Let's start with you. Targeting your email marketing. One of the most important new aspects of email marketing is making sure your content is highly targeted to your customer base. One of the ways of being sure you are targeting your customer base correctly, Mr. Heavy experimentation and split testing of your content. Think about every email that you send to your customer list as if you were sending it to your mother or best friend. When you write like you're talking to a single person or a small audience of good friends, you're going to connect with your customer list on a much more personal level. Now that email marketing has been so popular for so many years, many people that haven't gotten a new email address in over 5 years are subscribed to so many darn email lists that is incredibly easy for your email to get lost in the crowd. Because of this, we need to make sure that your emails stand out, and that you also build a relationship with your customer base. Some of the ways that you can target your email are by paying careful attention to things such as subject lines, email date and times, amount of free content versus amount of pitching, the overall tone of deciding if you want to talk your customer in a professional or personal tone depending on the type of product and type of niche that you marketing. Segmentation through analytics. Most email marketing responders nowadays come with highly targeted segmentation and analytical tools to help you do multiple different types of testing with your email list on every single email that you send. In 2018, it's incredibly easy to find autoresponders that will allow you to send an email on any given subject today, and then in a few hours or even tomorrow pull report that tells you exactly which subscribers on your email list 1 opened your email, 2 click date link in your email, 3 forwarded your email onto a friend. Can you imagine how powerful it is if you send an email to 2,000 people and tomorrow you figure out that only 500 of those people clicked through to your product's page? With this information, there are multiple different things that we can do. We can send another email to only the 500 people that clicked, asked what they thought about the information presented at your website, and to ask them to buy. Another option is we can send a separate email to the 1,500 people that did not click the link in your email and ask them why. You can now create some sort of urgency about a free report that's going to disappear or a video that will only be posted for a limited time, so they need to click today to get access. By being able to give specific instructions to people based on what they did with the previous email that you sent them, it is incredibly easy to steer your customers in exactly the direction and sales funnel that you wish them to go. In a while we're going to talk more about all responders and why you need one, so you can highly target all of the content that you send your customer base. Do you blog your email? Something else that you want to heavily consider when deciding to market with email is posting a copy of every single email you send to your blog. The benefit of posting the email that you send on your blog as well, so you can get tons of content out there for search engines to pick up. Not to mention, with the social interactivity the blogs have nowadays, you can get a lot of new traffic when you put Twitter and Facebook buttons on your blog so people can retweet or like your blog postings of your emails, which will give every email that you send a little bit of a viral effect. Think of it this way. What you sent an email to your customer list, you probably got a matter of a few hours if you're lucky before that email is buried in your customer's inbox and possibly will never be seen again. By blogging all of your email, you get all the content that you create, an unlimited shelf life that never expires. You will be surprised how many of your customers that may miss one of your emails catch it for 5 days after you send it because they follow your blog. One important thing to remember though posting your email content to your blog is to stay relevant on the topic of your marketing niche. If you spent years building up an email list of customers that like to buy material on NLP or hypnosis, but then suddenly your blog starts showing email posts talking about how to give a great massage, you will quickly lose your customers' interest. If they were looking for information on massage, they would be on another email list, not yours. Following up with email while social marketing is great to help grow your email list. The best way to stay in contact is through email follow-up, and that won't be changing anytime soon. I assume if you are reading this guide on email marketing for your business in 2018, then you most likely already have an autoresponder account. If you don't, you need to stop reading right now and go get a free trial account over at http://www.aweber.com. Once you have done that, then please come back to this guide and continue on. Why do you need an autoresponder? If you've ever been on a website and filled an opt-in form to get more information about a product or service, or signed up for an email newsletter on the internet, and received a nearly instantaneous response in your email inbox, an autoresponder program was responsible for delivering the reply. Simply put, autoresponders are email programs that send out a preset message in response to every incoming email received. Some autoresponders, like sign-up services for e-groups and forums, are one-shot deals. A single response for every message received. Just about every internet-based company uses autoresponders for a variety of purposes. From automating tasks that would otherwise take up hundreds of man-hours to building lists and tracking prospective leads. Multiple autoresponders send a series of messages to received email addresses on a predetermined, timed basis. For instance, a multiple autoresponder can be used to send an instant response, then a follow-up message 3 days later, then another 5 days after that, and so on. It can be programmed to send a message a day, one per week, twice monthly, or any interval that satisfies the purpose of the message series. Autoresponders are the most powerful internet marketing tools available. They are easy to use. And once they're set up, the entire marketing process is automated and instant. When you use autoresponders, your internet business runs itself 24 hours a day. Launching an effective autoresponder campaign can mean the difference between a struggling business and a wildly successful one. How can I make money with autoresponders? Just about any online business can benefit by using autoresponders. In fact, with a properly arranged campaign, your brand new internet business can be built around an autoresponder program. All you need is a product and an effective series of autoresponder messages, and you can start carving your piece of the internet pie. Your autoresponder is your golden goose. The marketing tool that will sell your well-developed product far more effectively than any other form of advertising. Few sales are made by impulse buyers, particularly on the internet. But if you are able to get your message out repeatedly to people who are already interested in what you have to offer, you will see an explosive sales response. This guide will give you all the information you need to begin profiting with autoresponders and email marketing. I'm going to help you choose a niche topic that works best for you and your situation. Then together we're going to research your market and find or develop great content that people want to buy so that you can start your own automated storefront website. Tailor your autoresponder messages for maximum effectiveness, and build a powerful opt-in autoresponder list that will make money even while you sleep. Thank you. I'm SL Mind saying goodbye to the hope of meeting with a program like this.